Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. This is an announcement for my upcoming product, Unbounded Love, that will release on Valentine's Day, February 14th at ninthlimb.com. In this product is 3 meditation techniques, 2 breathing techniques, a handful of yoga postures which will not be found anywhere on YouTube for free, and in addition to that, several inner alchemy processes that I was teaching my girlfriend and another private client at a separate time. In addition to that is about 8 to 10 techniques of, or knowledge datum of the body, physiology, anatomy. Very light. I don't show you pictures or use a mannequin, a skeleton like I have in my previous yoga therapy videos. This is actually just principles of the spine, the nervous system, the vascular system, and why the physical practice of yoga actually works. These will be techniques that, going into any yoga class, you will probably know much more than the teacher about why it physically works. This is very powerful knowledge, but it was spoken at the time because it was to a private client in very layman's terms, so I'm very pleased with it. And the purpose of Unbounded Love, to create change. What is seen is easy to copy. And what is easy to copy is not that valuable. That's called Walmart. What is difficult to copy, if it's valuable, if it gives enrichment to someone's life, and it's not easy to copy, that has value. And this is what I'm giving. I'm giving the process to change your own storyline, to change your theme, to rethink what it is about your life that could possibly be changed, to change what you consider able to be changed. From the deepest center of my heart to yours, I'm presenting Unbounded Love. It's half off on Valentine's Day for 24 hours at ninthlimb.com, $47, after which the price doubles, and it's available thereafter. So I hope you'll enjoy, and otherwise I'll see you next time. Namaste.